Oh my God. Wow. Crumbl cookie versus Crave cookie. Who's got the better cookies? I just ordered Crave cookie and Crumbl cookie at the same time on DoorDash. So let's see who gets here first and which cookie is better. Because Crave cookie is the original Crumbl cookie. Someone just knocked at the door, so let's see who got here first. Ooh, what do we... Oh, what the fuck? Yo, did the same person deliver both orders? They literally came at the same time. We got Crumbl cookie versus Crave cookie. Crumbl cookie versus Crave cookie. Who's got the better cookies? This is the original and this is the duplicate, but this is arguably more famous. Here is the original chocolate chip semi-sweet that started it all versus Crumbl's iconic semi-sweet chocolate cookie. This one is actually much thicker than the Crumbl. Let's see how this goes. Wow. I love the sweetness, the richness of the chocolate. You can see all these crystals on here. So it's a little bit salty, a little bit sweet, a little bit bitter. And yeah, I can definitely see where Crumbl cookie takes its inspiration from, because I love a great undercooked cookie. And this is just slightly underdone in the middle. And I absolutely love it. So let's break this open so you can see what that looks like. My God. Wow. Crunchy, chewy, sweet, savory, salty. Everything you want. This is going to be hard to beat. Think it and sink it. Here we go. A little bit more well done of a cookie here. It's definitely overcooked. Winner is definitely going to Crave. It's time to make the s'mores battle. And look at the size of the Crave s'mores. This is a Biscoff cookie butter with white chocolate. Let's give that nice. Oh, here we go. Mmm. 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 Fantastic. The graham cracker crumbles. Really good, nice texture, crunch, but the cookie itself, nothing really special to write home about. Mmm. Oh my God. This is actually on a croissant. Oh my God. The depth of flavor on this is insane. Wow. This is so much better. The richness, the butteriness, the flakiness you get from Crave, hands down, blows away the s'mores from Crumbl. The Crumbl wasn't bad, but this is infinitely better. Mmm. Oh, white chocolate. Or chocolate brownies. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, rich, thick, fudgy, amazing chocolate. Look at that. Oh my God. You get the milk chocolate in there. You get the fudginess. Man, oh my God. You get the chocolate chunks. Wow, this is phenomenal. So let's get the Crave. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Chewier, fudgier, got the chocolate chunks, way more brownie-like, plus the powdered sugar. Phenomenal. But I have to give it to Crumbl on this one because that just fudgy rawness right there on top.